Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, we're diving into an important concept, localhost. If you've been wondering what it is, why it's useful, or how it fits into WordPress development, stick around. This will be a quick and clear breakdown to get you started. What is localhost? Localhost refers to your computer acting as a server. Instead of hosting your site online, you create a mini web server right on your computer using tools like XAMPP, WAMP, or Local by Flywheel. Think of it as your private website lab. Why use localhost? Safe testing. Play around with themes, plugins, and code without worrying about breaking a live site. Offline access. No internet, no problem. You can work locally anytime, anywhere. Free to use. Skip paying for hosting while you build, learn, or experiment. Debugging. Made easy. Test changes and fix errors in a secure, controlled environment. And that's the magic of localhost, a safe, fast, and cost-free way to explore and build with WordPress. In the next video, we'll talk about one of the most popular tools for local development, XAMPP. We'll walk you through how to set it up and get started. See you there.